Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to merge layers inside of AutoCAD. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if your AutoCAD drawing has too many layers, merging them is an easy way to keep everything organized. Instead of moving objects one by one, AutoCAD includes a layer merge command that combines multiple layers into a single destination layer. Now, this is much faster and automatically updates every object on the selected layers. Now, what we first need to do is go ahead and open up your drawing inside of AutoCAD. Then from there, go to your command line and then type in layer merge and then click on the first result here. Now we need to select object on layer to merge, or we can click onto N and select from your layers. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose that layer, click on OK. Now I'm going to select that layer and then hit enter. Now next, AutoCAD will ask you to select the destination layer. So that's, again, you can click on an object that's already on the destination layer or type in N to choose the destination layer. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here, this layer, and click on OK. And then it's going to say you're about to merge layers from here to there. Do you wish to continue? Click onto yes. The selected layers will now be merged into the destination layer and the original layers will be removed from the drawing. Then we can go ahead and verify the results. So we can type in LA and then from layer, click onto that. And then you can see here in the layer property manager that all objects have been moved to the destination layer. The merged layers no longer exist and the destination layer contains all the merged objects.